Hey everybody, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we are showing you this 2018 Audi RS7 Performance that we just got in. This one is Nardo Gray with the black interior. It does have the performance package with the carbon ceramic brakes. 605 horsepower, which is 400 or 45 more horsepower than the base RS7. It also has the titanium exhaust, a few other features, the dynamic suspension. That's all part of the performance package. It does have the carbon optic package as well, which gives you the front and rear carbon fiber, the splitter and the diffuser. 21-inch wheels, beautiful black wheels. It does have adaptive cruise control, which is part of the driver assistance package with the lane departure and blind spot, adaptive cruise. Clean Carfax, 32,800 miles, very low mileage, extremely well serviced. The tires are Pirellis and they are like new. We do have 2 key fobs in this as well. Look in the back seat here, it's got the 2 seats. Got the 4-zone climate there. Does have the black Alcantara headliner, which was an option. Keep going over the options here. It's got the Bang & Olufsen sound system. It has the carbon fiber trim all throughout, which looks really nice. Heated front seats. Heads-up display. Of course, nav. It's got the front and rear camera. It's a non-smoker. These seats look really nice. Check out this bolster, the bottom bolster. Everything looks real good here. No tears, no wear, no rips. Beautiful example. Car is fast. 605 horsepower. It's bone stock. There's no dings, no scratches. Front splitter looks great. Wheels look great. Give us a call, text, email. We will respond quickly to all the inquiries. We can ship this car to your driveway. We can do it enclosed or open. Open trailers are a little less expensive. Enclosed, a little bit more, but you get better protection, the elements and things. Everything's working, no warning lights or anything like that on this car. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We love that. Like the video, make a comment. I do try and respond to all the comments. If you have any questions there, you can follow us on Instagram as well, Rogers_Motorcars. We post a lot of videos in our stories of cars coming in the pipeline, trade-ins coming, things like that, so you get a little heads up. But yeah, love this car. It's a lot of fun. Very, very low mileage for a 2018. Locally sourced from Houston. We did not buy this at an auction or anything like that. We know the person, we know the previous owner, so any questions, just holler at us. Hope to hear from you soon. Thank you very much.